Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you chickpeas and baby oil will remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally. All you need to do is prepare this magical remedy, apply it on your face or hands, on feet, on any place on your neck, on any place that you do have wrinkles and fine lines and you do have sagging skin. This magical remedy will eliminate wrinkles and fine lines naturally and will get you rid of fine lines, wrinkles, sagging skin with very simple ingredients at home. The first ingredient we need here is a chickpeas, and we need to grind it fine into a grinder or food processor. And here I have around 2 teaspoons of chickpeas. Now we need to add on it around 2 teaspoons of Johnson baby oil. If you're going to add 1 teaspoon of chickpeas, add 1 teaspoon of baby oil. It's the same quantity. So if you are using 2 teaspoons, add 2 teaspoons as well. Then my friends, we need a magical ingredient that eliminates wrinkles and fine lines naturally, which is vitamin E capsules. And here I'm going to use 2 capsules of vitamin E. It's 1000 milligrams. So if you do have 400 vitamin E capsules, add 3 or 4 capsules of vitamin E. Here I have it 1000 milligrams, so I'm going to add 2 capsules of vitamin E. How to add it? Just cut the capsule with a pair of scissors like so and add the oil. Then my friends, we need to add also another magical ingredient that removes wrinkles and fine lines and get you rid of this problem naturally, and it's better than Botox in getting rid of sagging skin naturally. It's a Vaseline, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Now my friends, mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. We need to end up with a thick cream paste. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients together, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin like so. It's a thick paste. Apply it on your skin and massage the skin with it for 5 minutes. And it's going to remove the wrinkles and fine lines naturally. You need to store this remedy and use it every night before you sleep to achieve the best result ever.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you. And if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas. And also like those, that will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.